Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals. The first one is a lion. The next one is a camel. The next animal is a zebra. This is a zebra. The next one is a leopard. The next one is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. The next one is a rooster. This is a rooster. The next animal is